So, good morning guys. Today we have this 2023 Ford F150 Lightning with us. It's from Lance Autos in Monster. Thanks guys for letting me drive this all new F150. It's quite an experience because it's really fast and it doesn't make any noise. So that's a complete opposite of I would say a Ram TRX or a Ford Raptor. But one thing that is cool, look at this, all automatic, really weird, but you have space in the front, a little light cap here and here, charging cables. Yeah, this truck is brand new, so of course it looks all clean. Charging points are on the sides. You have normal road going tires and you have, let me see, 20-inch wheels. They are gray. So here a nice lightning badge, looks really cool with the blue accent. A really big light on the front, a big light bar over here. That's your daytime running lights, and here are your two headlights, low beam and high beam. So let's start in the back. You can flip the seats over so you have more luggage space. Really nice finishes, I have to say, especially for Ford. You have a big panoramic sunroof, rear sliding window, camera on the front, also the big tail light looks really good. Nice Ford on the step. Let's head inside. Whoop. So really big screen that just really blows my mind. Also this screen, really nice screen. You have a nice B&O sound system, which sounds amazing, especially because this car is electric. You don't hear anything, you only hear, yeah, the road, your music. You can just really enjoy life at the moment. Nice two-tone color seats. You have the new option for working on with your laptop or stuff, eating. In America, eat a lot, so that's great. Really big screen, just amazing. It's just almost a television. Yeah, normal F150 steering wheel, normal display. You get it in the other F150 also. Yeah, what else? Everything, actually the roof, everything looks the same as a normal F150. Some storage compartment here, here more storage. So yeah, let's go for a drive. Actually, this will be my first real impression of this truck. I drove it here, but I didn't give a lot of throttle. I wanted to get a real expression for this video, so that's what you guys are gonna get. One thing to start with, it is really quiet. You don't hear anything. You only hear a little bit of the noise from the electric motors, but it's really, yeah, it's really quiet. But that's a good thing, because that's why it's electric. So let's go to the left over here. Yeah, and as usual, it's raining. I live in the Netherlands, so yeah, it's always raining here. Sun, just a little bit of sunshine. Okay, so let's give it a little bit of throttle. That's just stupid how fast this thing goes. Wow, crazy. I don't exactly know what the 0 to 60 time is in this thing. Actually, so that you don't mistake, it's kilometers an hour, it's not miles per hour, so otherwise it would be really fast. But yeah, it's a whole different story, this truck. Usually you hear noise and everything, brakes, tires. In this, it just feels like a freaking spaceship. It's just, I can't really subscribe it. It's just so freaking fast and really comfortable. These seats are perfect. The view is perfect. You have big windows everywhere, big panoramic sunroof. Yeah, what can I say else? The one thing is, if you're a petrolhead, I don't know if this is the truck for you, because as I said, how do you call it? Your expectations are a lot different, because you don't feel, you don't smell like the gas, you don't hear the engine noise. Yeah, I do miss that sometimes, because it's a bummer that I mean, normally when you're going fast, this gives me a little bit of headache, because you're going so freaking fast, but you don't hear anything. For your mind, that's really weird. But you will get used to it, I know for sure. But I don't know if you want to get used to that. Okay, so let's go to the left over here. But it's just everyone that sits in this car next to you, they will be really shocked by how fast this thing is. Because I was too. I drove it, I just gave some throttle, and yeah, it just feels like you're going into another dimension. It's just crazy. And we are actually, you can look at it, I am in Den Haag, in the Netherlands. So a lot of industry here, a lot of boats, a lot of transport companies. So that's what Den Haag is called for. So go to the right. But I have to say, it surprised me, because I wasn't really that excited about the Ford F150 Lightning. Okay, so wait, let's give it some throttle. I mean, what truck is so fast? I just drove a Ram TRX before this, and this feels faster. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's because you don't hear anything, but this just, you give some throttle and it goes. Nothing else, no noise, it just goes and it keeps going. One thing that I have to say, you really notice the weight. With turning and with going over bumps, you really notice that it's a really heavy truck. You have to keep that in mind, because yeah, it doesn't drive like, for example, a Toyota Hilux. That's a really nimble truck, really, yeah, it drives really different. This, you notice that there are a lot of batteries beneath you. That makes it really heavy. It is good. It's not so bad, but yeah, you have to really get used to it. Oh, we have a little bit sunshine. But it's so heavy, but so quick at the same time. I don't know how Ford did this, but well done. Because it's just really good. The range is actually 500 kilometers for a full charge. It doesn't sound like a lot, but if you can charge really fast, then it is a lot. But I don't know if electric cars is the future, but if this is the future, yeah, we will see. I can say that. Overall, it's a really cool truck. I don't know if you have different modes in it. I don't believe so. Normally there's here a rotoring dial, but there isn't now. Okay, let me see the screen. Everything is in Dutch, sorry for that, but voertuig is car, algemeen. It's just everything is in Dutch, but that's great for us. We have seat heating and cooling. I love this, that they kept this one really big and noticeable, that you don't have to push the button every time. It's just a rotary dial. That's great. Other things, yeah, steering wheel feels really good. Nice thick steering wheel. You have different modes on the screen. Calm screen. Let me see. Menu, trip. Yeah, this is it uses 84 kilowatts per 100 kilometers. Okay, that's not so bad. Let me see. Towing, trailer information. Yeah, this truck can tow a lot, so that's great. Can you get the navigation over here? I don't know. But otherwise, yeah, it's a really cool truck to have. I mean, but for now, I will keep driving some noisy ass trucks, because yeah, the experience is a lot higher, because you smell it, you hear it, you have a lot of more emotion in the car, and that's what I a little bit miss in this. But yeah, it's not so bad. It's a really cool truck, so yeah, I have to say that. And it's really bad weather. Okay, so guys, that was the video for this time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, of course. There's another car coming after this video, actually. That will be a GMC. So yep, a 6.2 V8 petrol engine. So it's a combustion engine, actually no turbo, no supercharger, just a 6.2 V8 with a lot of noise. So subscribe, so check out that video, and follow me on Instagram at Raptor_Gen2, and I will link actually that in the bio. So stay tuned and see you on the next one. Bye guys.